Welcome to another video. My name is Van and today I'm going to be unboxing a very special product. This right here is the new Z490 Aorus Master motherboard. This board is designed specifically for the new Intel 10th generation of CPUs to draw out the most amount of performance and power so that way you get the best possible gaming experience. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get unboxed. Alright, so first things first, let's take a look at the outside of the brand new Z490 Aorus. We'll do a quick 360 of the box so you can see the artwork out in front, information on the sides, and on the back you can see a preview of all the cool and new technologies that this board has to offer. But enough about the outside. I'm pretty sure most of you guys want to see what comes inside the box. First things first, we have a anti-static bag. Whew. This is my first time being hands-on with the board itself, and it looks very, very nice, as you guys can see. We'll take a look at the back as well. We're going to talk more about this board in just a bit, but I'm going to go ahead and just set it off here on the side for now while we get the rest of the unboxing experience finished. So other things that come inside the box are Aorus stickers. You get your instructional guide. You get a user's manual as well as, what is this? A CD. Wow, CDs, I haven't seen that in a while. Of course, you also get an Aorus sticker. Don't forget this, it comes inside the box of all Aorus products. And we get a bunch of other cool accessories, additional cables. We have SATA, we have RGB cables. We have more RGB cables. We also have, is this what I think it is? Yes, the GIGABYTE G connector. This is something that a lot of you guys really like. And we also have a Wi-Fi antenna. So those are all the accessories. With all that on the table, let's just scoot everything over to the side and we'll talk more about the board itself. So check this out. This is the brand new Z490 Aorus Master. This represents an enthusiast level of motherboard. So you get very high-end features and high-end performance out of this board. Alright guys, so let's move over and talk about the actual board and what's changed for this generation. But before we do that, I think we gotta do some peeling here. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and start with talking about some of the biggest changes we've done for this generation and talk about why some of the new technologies on here might matter to you as a gamer. The first change I want to point out is that for Z490, we're using a new socket called LGA 1200. That means that this motherboard is designed specifically for Intel's latest 10th generation of core CPUs. This board can draw out the most amount of power while still also remaining stable, whether using an i9, i7, i5, or even an i3. The next big change we've done for this generation is that we've completely redesigned the power delivery to the CPU. This motherboard features a 14-phase VRM solution, complete with a new tantalum polymer capacitor array. This helps to provide the most stability out of your gaming system so that way you can game at extreme limits without any crashes or without any interruptions. Because Intel's new CPUs generate more power, they also generate more heat, which means it's important to have a motherboard which helps to keep running everything nice and cool. I'm proud to say that the new Z490 Aorus Master has a redesigned advanced thermal design which helps to keep everything running cool and stable. If you take a closer look at the top of the motherboard, you're going to see the second generation of fin array heatsink. This is in conjunction with the second generation of direct touch heat pipe. So this helps to cool down the power delivery of your board so that way everything is running nice and stable. If you move over to the bottom half of the motherboard, you're going to see the inclusion of a new thermal armor. This is going to help cool down all the extra M.2 slots so that way you can add on additional storage drives and accessories without fear of overheating your system. This new cooling design also continues to the rear of the board, where you're going to see a full coverage backplate. This not only helps to add extra rigidity for your board during installation, but it's also going to help with extra cooling because it acts as a full heatsink for the rear of the board. Some other new and exciting technologies on this is in terms of memory support. This board is going to feature faster memory over previous generation designs. Also, Similar to the previous generation high-end premium boards, you're going to see the inclusion of an ESS audio DAC. This is really great for audiophiles who want to drive high-resolution headphones, or if you're a gamer and if you want to get immersed in the middle of the battlefield, this ESS Saber DAC is going to help you achieve that. Moving over to the rear, let's talk about I/O. In terms of I/O, you have a couple different options you can choose from. You have USB-A, USB Type-C. In terms of internet connectivity, you're going to see Intel 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN, as well as Intel Wi-Fi 6 technology, which is also known as 802.11ax. This board also features Bluetooth 5.0, so that means whether you're going with a wired connection or wireless connection, this board is going to be well equipped to handle everything you throw at it. Alright guys, so that wraps up this first look and unboxing of the brand new Z490 Aorus Master. If you guys want to find out more detailed information about the technology and the specs on this motherboard, you can go ahead and visit us on our website, or you can click the links down below. If you guys want to see some more Aorus gaming hardware, make sure to follow us on our Aorus channels. And until then, my name is Van, and I'll see you guys next time.